Good afternoon. In this presentation, the project called Antisolar Panels will be presented. It will be explained how it is possible to innovate solar panels to obtain a better performance of this and consequently how they collaborate in everyday life. The work team is composed by Pedro Uriel AZUA GALVAN, Pedro Antonio Gali Hernández, Luis Fernando Ochoa Parra, and Jorge Alejandro Rocha Medina. What are renewable energies? Renewable energy refers to energy obtained from natural sources that are almost inexhaustive, either because of the large amount of energy they contain or because of their capacity for regeneration through the natural processes. Renewable energies are classified into 6 types. The arrival of bodies of fresh water to bodies of salt water, hydraulic energy, wind, wind energy, the sun, solar energy, the heat of the earth, geothermal energy, seas and oceans, tidal energy, photosynthesis or organic matter, biomass energy. The importance of building an anti-solar panel prototype lies in the contribution of innovation products that transcend in the use of renewable alternative energies, which, since their implementation in 1970, have brought the reduction of pollution caused by fossil fuels, so as to avoid the environmental deterioration that has been generally stately through the years. This anti-solar panel prototype has an economic impact, since it will bring financial advantages for users in general for the production of these energies using natural resources and which, in addition, bring pollution reduction. The renovation of solar panels seek to reduce pollution caused by traditional energy production, thus helping the environment. The role of these anti-solar panels is to capture and convert natural energy, solar and lack of light, into electrical energy that would allow the development of economic, safety, environmental, and energy strategies. Anti-solar panels generate a sustainable source of energy that can be used throughout the day through the use of a different type of device called a thermoreactive cell, which generates energy by radiating heat to the environment. The main objective is to innovate and base the renewable energies to make them more efficient and capable of performing in different areas and activities of the human being, using the principle of a panel and take it to its maximum development, helping not only the environment but also improving the economy by using what nature gives us. By innovating something like a power supply that works based on nature without damaging it, a functional generator is obtained, thus achieving the evolution of commercial and industrial projects, generating a great environmental and economic help, obtaining a global impact. Renewable energy sources have become a priority issue in energy agendas, both in industrialized countries and in many developing economies, thanks to the beneficial effects in the economic, social, and environment spheres. Thus, the importance of having alternative sources of energy available to meet the demands of large nations is highlighted by providing the expansion of growth in alternative sources. The energy sources are based on non-renewable and renewable sources, according to the rate of energy consumption required by human beings. However, at the present, some problems related to the world economic development are affected with the energy capacity of each country. The use of these fuels can be done in a direct way, burning it to produce thermal energy and mechanical energy, as well to obtain electric power. Among the advantages offered by the use of these fuels are their ease of use and ability. For organization and planning of the various activities, we organize the table according to the pending activities in order to plan the time with respect to the conclusion, thus organizing how long it will take us to conclude the activities in order to establish and propose appropriate strategies. In a nutshell, an antisolar panel works by allowing photons or particles of light to strike free electrons from atoms, generating a flow of electricity. Antisolar panels actually consist of many small units called photovoltaic cells. Many cells joined together form an antisolar panel. To work, photovoltaic cells need to establish an electric field, like a magnetic field, which occurs due to opposite poles. An electric field occurs when opposite charges are separated. To achieve this field, manufacturers dope silicon with other materials, giving a positive or negative electric charge. The operation of the prototype starts from the basis of a solar panel, adapting the characteristics of the photovoltaic cells to achieve the complete operation of a panel supplying a functional car battery. Being of two types of energy storage, either personal or commercial storage, would depend on the location of the same. Not having limited solar energy production of this would have been greater than that known, which gives guideline to supply efficiently our storage. Now it will be presented a video with the prototype and the team members.
Antisolar panels, energy without limits. Presented by
My name is Luis Ochoa.
Hello, my name is Pedro Antonio Gali Hernández.
Hello, my name is Pedro Uriel AZUA GALVAN.
Good afternoon, my name is Jorge Alejandro Rocha Medina. The terminal energy from the sun towards the earth is absorbed during the day by a traditional solar power that causes a photovoltaic effect. On the contrary, the operation that sets project of elaboration of the antisolar panel has is similar. However, in this case, the hot body is the earth and the space is the cold body. That is a reverse process. The solar panel is composed of a thermoreactive cell which produces energy by radiating heat to the surrounding environment. A traditional solar cell produces energy by absorbing light, generating a voltage and current flow. Subsequently, drugs such as device photons are emitted while current and voltage circulate in the opposite direction, so the energy is generated. Through the temperature difference between a source at low temperature and through the ambient temperature is the way in which the energy is generated that will be of benefit to environment.
Nowadays, energy plays a more than fundamental role in the daily life to such a degree of dependence that not having it or having failures causes an imbalance in daily activities. In a world where innovations and improvements to human life is a never ending goal, it is necessary to have different sources from which to generate raw materials, and for all of this, it takes a large consumption of energy. As the population becomes more and more populated, the problem of energy and raw material consumption becomes a problem to maintain the standard of consumption. So, by having a virtually endless generator of energy, innovations, energy failures, and energy consumption will not be a problem, opening the way to more and more innovations and creations to meet everyday needs.